Topics Master. First of all, I would like to get a time and sequence for the table topic speakers, please.
Yes, Madam Table Topics Master. The time objectives for table topics is 1 to 2 minutes. Participants at 1 minute, I will turn on, the green light. I will indicate that you have spoken for 1.5 minutes by turning on the yellow light, and I will turn on the red light at 2 minutes. The red light will remain on until the conclusion of your speech. You have 30 seconds grace period in which to qualify.
Thank you, Madam Tyler. If there is one thing you can do to make a difference, to impact the world, what would it be? Barbara?
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is my first speech. So I should be nervous, but I refuse to be. Especially after what I just heard. So if there's one thing I could do to impact the world, is that what you said?
Right.
Okay. Well, I'm going to deviate a little bit on the topic. To tell you an interesting story. I was at Seven Ninjas. Anybody familiar with Seven Ninjas? Okay. And I met this man. He was strange looking, but interesting and intriguing. And, I'm a little sarcastic at times. So I was at the register, and he made a comment, and I kind of gave him a little sarcastic remark. And he said, well, you need to think about what you said because there's a reason for that. And I'm like, well, okay. Then he said, when they left the garden, they didn't leave physically, they left mentally. I was like, wow, that was heavy to me because I had always been taught when they left the garden, Adam and Eve, just in case you guys weren't with me, they were put out of the garden. But he said, no, it was a mental thing. And he said, the reason you are acting the way that you're acting is because there's something in you, that's not perfect, that's missing. So, in answer to your question, if I could leave the world or impact it, what would I do? And basically, I would change the way that I think, the way that I act, and the way that I communicate.
Very good.